Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about Himachal Pradesh. Number 1. Himachal Pradesh is a state in northern India. Number 2. It is famous for its stunning landscapes. Number 3. Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh. Number 4. The state is famous for its scenic hill stations. Number 5. It is home to many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Number 6. The people of Himachal Pradesh are very friendly and hospitable. Number 7. Himachal Pradesh has several ancient temples. Number 8. The most popular festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dussehra. Number 9. The official language of Himachal Pradesh is Hindi. Number 10. The peaceful atmosphere makes it a popular tourist destination. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.